I asked Gia to attend our weekly huddle so that we can minimize this weekly updates that we have done for the last couple months. So what Harrison and Gia have prepared in the last couple months, we're going to slowly ease that out, and then we're going to implement it during this, live meeting so that we can, deliver what we're going to, prepare and to have in the next couple months. So any updates, Gia? Any updates on your end? Do you want to talk briefly about the HOA issue that we had recently? The NMSI is no longer helping us with the non-warrantable condo issue, whereas AmWest was able to help. Can you briefly summarize what NMSI is doing at this time? We need to know this so that we don't have to send the file to NMSI when we have any HOA issues. Unmute yourself, please, Gia. Gia, you're on mute.
Do you guys hear me?
Yes.
So as you guys know, we recently opened up non-deal correspondent line with NMSI. We were mini correspondent, but now we are non-deal, meaning that we have full control on tree docs, appraisal, and funding. But the thing is that NMSI does not help us any further, just like they did when we submitted the loan as a mini correspondent. So we had a recent refinance file, which we had a condo issue. As you know, in Orange County, we have some master insurance issues because of the deductible on the master UI. And they gave us a suspense, and we asked them to update it on their end since they are the investor. So they have a line with Fannie Mae, but they said since we are non-correspondent lender, we have to take care on our end. And they had us reach out to HOA company, so the HOA company can reach out to Fannie Mae directly, which most likely doesn't sound like possible on my end, because usually HOA company doesn't help for the specific unit owner. They just work for the HOA company, not for us. So we resubmitted the loan to AmWest. We are also non-correspondent with AmWest, and AmWest also gave us suspense condition regarding the master EOI. And we got a document from HOA and just forwarded to the AmWest underwriter, and they help us to resolve the matter. They send the document to Fannie Mae, and then we got a Fannie Mae condo approved, as well as we got a waiver on the HOA cert condition. So borrower didn't pay additional money to order HOA cert, and there's no additional conditions further than that. So if you guys have any full doc loans for the condo, I don't recommend to submit that loan to NMSI. I think Christian's not here, but we had a Christian's file, the purchase file. It was a condo. We had a very, very hard time to get the loan closed with NMSI because there was a last minute PTD condition at funding stage. I'm not sure how that process went, but for some reason we got a updated condo condition at the funding. So I had to make things work out very fast to make it fund on time. So that's what I wanted to share.
Sorry, G, I have a question. Well, so if I got this, if I understood this correctly, I'm not sure if I'm the only one that missed it, but AmWest went to Fannie Mae Direct to get the condo review?
Not Fannie Mae Direct, but the CPM is the condo search engine that Fannie Mae has. So what NMSI told me is that they're not gonna reach out to CPM to get the condo approved with the document that we provided. They said we have to reach out to them, or HOA company have to reach out to them. But AmWest, when we provide the document, they just send the document directly to CPM, so we can get the condo approved with CPM.
Okay, but then now, was there an issue with the condo cert getting approved? Was there some type of deficiency that
no, for this subject there was no issue on the HOA cert, but there was an issue on the master EOI. So per Fannie Mae guidelines, there's a 5% maximum deductible allowed per CPM. So we got an updated verbiage from the HOA company saying that they're gonna max out the deductible up to 5% only.
Gotcha.
But even if we provided that document to NMSI, they didn't allow us to they didn't help us, get approved with CPM.
Okay. Now, Christine had mentioned that she had one where there was an SB 326 issue. Is this the same one or something
All
else?
right.
Oh, okay.
It's different file, but
Uh-huh.
it's similar issue because what NMSI told us is that they're not going to proceed any further until they get the SB 326 inspection report.
Uh-huh.
But the thing is that HOA company told us that they're going to set up an appointment for SB 326 inspection.
Yeah.
But it's after a COE date, which can be happen. Because it was a purchase. So we reach out different investors, and Arc Home is the one, as long as HOA said that there's no issue on the balcony at this point, then they're going to just move forward without SB 326.
Does that have anything to do? So are lenders not factoring in the fact that the state has extended that to next year, January 2026? So despite that, lenders are still requiring it though?
For now, I think NMSI is the only investor who requires SB
Understood.
326. Yeah.
Understood.
We also provided the excerpt from the government website, but
Uh-huh.
they didn't accept it. They said per investor overlay,
Uh-huh.
they still require.
Understood. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
So specifically with Christine's file, SB 721 requires the owner of apartment buildings with 3 or more units to have the balcony inspected. Thankfully, the subject property was 3 or less, so we were able to pass it using the verbiage showing on the SB 721. What Christine did is to go through the bill, these pages, and she was able to find 2 sentences talking about this matter. It is tough, but unless it's more than 100 basis point difference or major difference, although LoanSifter shows NMSI as number 1, when we are aware there is an issue coming up, we don't have to send it there, unless we have a 45, 60-day escrow. Thank you, Gia.